get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have another wig from Luvmehair. They sent me over this beautiful stylish C-part bang 20-inch wig, and as y'all can see, this wig got a little color going on to it. Okay, so stay tuned and let's get into this install. Alright y'all, so like I said previously, this wig is a C-part bang 20-inch wig from Luvmehair, and you guys also see in the beginning clips that I also installed this wig as glueless because Luvmehair is definitely known for a lot of their glueless wigs. So this wig is going to be perfect for beginners. You don't need any skills and it's easy to install, which is the best part. I forgot to mention y'all, I did not bleach the knots in this wig. This wig is straight out of the box, so you do not have to worry about bleaching the knots or even plugging it. I don't even think I plugged this wig as also. I'm pretty sure I didn't. So as y'all can see here, I'm just cutting off my lace. You know, this is always my first step, always, to all of my wigs. And honestly y'all, every time I cut off my lace, it just blends right into my skin. Like it's just so beautiful to see, honestly. I don't know if I mentioned this y'all, but I also sprayed my knots with some lace tint spray as well because like I said, I did not bleach the knots. But you can also go ahead and just use some makeup of your choice as well. So I'm going to go ahead and use my wax stick and my hot comb so I can get this wig super sleek. And a lot of times when I have a banged unit, especially for this wig in particular, I like to make my bangs a little more dramatic because I just feel like it fits my face better and it frames my face better. So a lot of times I really like that bold, dramatic bang look. So now I'm just going to go in with my Got To Be spray because I found my wig to be a little loose. So I just wanted a little more extra security. But like I said, this is a glueless install. So it is okay to use your Got To Be glued spray because it's not a harsh glue and it's not going to weigh your hair down, which is like the best part. So I'm just going to spray about like one layer of this glue. Honestly, I really don't keep track of like how many layers I do, but I'm pretty sure it's just like one layer. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply my lace to that Got To Be spray. And I'm also going to go in with my comb kind of to secure it and make sure everything is tacky and is sticking to my head. So after looking at this wig and examining it, I realized that where the bang was a little awkward for me to style. So I decided to go ahead and kind of cut some layers into the wig to kind of give it more shape and some more body. You guys are going to see me going with my scissors a couple times kind of to just trim it and just play around with it really because I really didn't know what I wanted to do with it. And I was really trying to like figure out how I wanted to style it and things like that. So I'm just going to go ahead with my scissors and cut a few pieces here and there. And I think that this really made a big difference for me. I think that it really helped the wig shape my face a little bit more, and like I said, it gave it some more body. I don't like my wigs to just be dull and flat, you know, and not giving any volume. So I like to add some layers here and there to give it a little more shape. And I also went ahead and trimmed the bottom of the hairs as well because I felt like the ends of the hair were like really uneven and they were just awkward. So I just went ahead and trimmed it up a little bit. So after figuring out what I wanted to do with my bang, I decided to go in with my T3 curling iron, and I decided to flip this bang, y'all. And after I did that, this bang came to life. Okay, so at first, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I thought I messed it up. I'm like, I don't think I flipped it the right way. I'm like, why does it look like that? But once I put that comb to it, I flipped it back to the front, and I was like, yeah, this is it. Like, this is eating. This is it. I was like, okay, I did that for sure, for sure. Didn't insert the clips, but at first I decided to use my T3 curling iron as well for the other half of my hair, but I realized that the curls just, I don't know, it just wasn't looking right. So I decided to use my bubble wand curl, and it came out better because, like I said, y'all, this wig is straight out of the box. So basically what I'm doing is really just trying to keep the curl of this wig because I didn't want to like restyle it, you know. I just wanted to show y'all that you can wear this wig right out of the box. So I went ahead, just used my bubble wand curl, and I'm really just trying to touch up like the front pieces because as y'all can see, the pieces in the back were nicely curled, as y'all can see. So I really just wanted it to blend, and I just wanted it all to just come together and really just look good, you know. Like, I didn't want no pieces to look awkward. And when I was using my T3 curling iron, I was like, these pieces are not, you know, looking good. I'm like, this is not it. So after switching to the bubble wand curl, I was like, yeah, this is it. This is better. The curls look way better this way. And I ended up fixing it. And also for my bang, I don't know if y'all can tell, but there's a little piece of hair on the side that's sticking up. But I also fixed that too. And I also added a little baby hair on the side as well. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look, and I love that the way that this wig came out. At first I was a little skeptical, but it actually came out really cute. So if y'all would like to purchase this wig, do not forget to check my description box down below. I will have all the information to this wig in my description box, and I as well will have a coupon code. So if y'all would like to purchase this wig, you can get a percentage off of your next order. Thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in my next video.